I'm going to give an explanation of how you could find some pattern for question number 6 on the limit worksheet. And I would start with something like, I'm going to randomly start with the hexagon. What you know about a hexagon is that you can divide it into 6 congruent triangles, and the measure of each central angle is 360 divided by 6. So the measure of each central angle is 60 degrees. I know the radius in each case is 1. So what I was going to do was to find the area of each of those little triangles. So each of these triangles, I was going to use the formula we had from trig. 1/2 times, the formula is 1/2 AB times the sine of theta, if you remember correctly. 1/2 AB times the sine of theta, where A and B are two sides of the triangle, and theta is the included angle. So in the case of the hexagon, a triangle is going to be 1/2 1 times 1 times the sine of 60 degrees. So that's one triangle. In order to find the area of the whole hexagon, I'm going to have to multiply it by 6. So that's just going to give us, so put this in degree mode. Oops. So degree mode, so we have 0.5 times sine of 60 gives us that, times 6 gives us, whoops, something is wrong here, because I need to be in degree mode. Okay, so times 6 gives us an area of okay, so for 6 sides, 2.5980076. For 5 sides, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to have 5 times 1/2 the sine of, and now I need to have 360 divided by 5, which happens to be 72 degrees, so 0.5 times sine of 360 divided by 5 times 5 gives us 2.3776. If I'm going to have 7 sides, well, that's going to be 7 times 1/2 the sine of 360 divided by 7 will be the measure of each central angle. For an 8-sided figure, I know it's going to be 8 times 1/2 the sine of 360 divided by 8, and so forth. 9 1/2 the sine of the central angle, which is 360 divided by 9. So that's how I progressed to get the area. By the time we get to 200, we know it's going to be 200 times 1/2 the sine of 360 divided by into 200 pieces. So that is 100 times the sine of 360 divided by 200 gives us 3.141, which is very much like pi.